This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide your desktop icons in Windows 11. It's very easy to do. Let me jump over to my desktop here. Say that your desktop is a complete mess like mine is. It's very easy to hide your icons on your desktop. All you need to do is right click on your desktop, go to View, and over to where it says Show Desktop Icons. Click on that and they're all gone. To bring back your desktop icons, you want to right click again. Basically follow the same steps. Go to View, down to Show Desktop Icons. And now they're all back. That is how you hide your desktop icons on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.